students, chapter number 18, perimeter and area. Now today we have to start with exercise 18.2. 18.2 covers the topic related to the area of a triangle. ठीक है. Now question number 1 says that you have to find out the area of a triangle whose base is 18 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter, and you have to find out the area. First of all, we will check that the unit is same for both the things. Base and height are in the same unit, both are same, so we don't have to do any changes. Now we will find out the area of a triangle. Base is given in the question, height is given in the question. We will directly apply the formula half base into height. In place of half base we will write 18, in place of height we will write 12. 2 and 12 cancel out, we will get 6. 6 into 18, 108 centimeter whole square. Now third part, in third part they have given you base and height in decimeter. We all know that decimeter आपका मीटर से छोटा होता है, and this is base is given in meter and height is given in decimeter, so we will convert meter into decimeter. We all know that 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, so we will multiply 7.2 meter by 10, so we will get 72 decimeter. So I have converted base that is given in meter, I have converted into decimeter, and height will be remain same. Now both are in the सेम यूनिट. अब दोनों की यूनिट सेम हो गई. नाउ वी कैन डायरेक्टली यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. दैट मीन्स हाफ इंटू 72 इंटू 7. 2 and 72 I have cancelled out, it is coming 36. 36 into 7 we will get 252 decimeter whole square. Make sure that area of a triangle, the unit for area is decimeter whole square. In this case the unit of area is centimeter whole square. जो भी यूनिट होगी उसका होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Now in question number 2 you have to find out the height of a triangle whose area they have given 420 centimeter whole square and base they have given 60 centimeter. Now in this question area is given, base is given, you have to find out the height. We all know that area of a triangle is half base into height, so we have derived the formula for finding the height, that is 2 into area upon base. Now area is given in the question, base is given in the question. Make sure that the unit for both the things are same. Now area of triangle is in centimeter whole square, base in centimeter. It means unit is same, so we will directly put the values. Now in place of area we have written 420, in place of base we have written 60. 0 0 cancel out. Now 6 and 42 I have cancelled out, it is coming 7. Now 2 into 7 it is coming 14 centimeter. Now come to the second part. Area is given in millimeter whole square and base is given in centimeter. First of all we have to change the unit. I will change the bigger unit into smaller unit because it is easier to change the bigger unit into smaller unit, but directly we can multiply. Area is given 1500 millimeter whole square, so 7.5 centimeter I will convert it into millimeter. The relation is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This is the relation for converting centimeter into millimeter. So we will multiply 7.5 into 10. We will get 75 millimeter. Now we will put the values of area and base in the formula. Height equal to 2 into area upon base. In place of area I have written 1500. In place of base I have written 75. So we will simplify. We are getting 20. 20 into 2 we are getting 40. 40 millimeter is the answer. Now we can convert this 40 millimeter into centimeter. It's up to you if you want to convert it. It's totally up to you. If you are writing the answer till here only, you will get the full marks. Now 40 millimeter I have written as 4 centimeter. For converting the smaller unit into bigger unit we divided by 10. millimeter को centimeter में convert करने के लिए what we will do? We will divide by 10. Now come to the question number 3. You have to find the base of a triangle whose area and height is given. Now you have to find out the base. Area and height is given in the question. Area is 300 centimeter whole square and height is 7.5 centimeter. Both are in the same unit. It means you don't have to change anything. Now you have to find out the base. Base equal to 2 into area upon height. Now we will put the value of area, that is 300, and height is 7.5. Now we will remove the decimal, then 1 0 will be increased in the numerator. Denominator से हमने decimal हटाया तो 1 0 आपका numerator में बढ़ जाएगा. Now 75 and 3000 we will simplify. We are getting 40. 40 into 2, 80 centimeter is the base. Now third part is area equal to 3.6 meter square and height is 1.8 meter. Both are in the meter. Don't have to change anything. area is 3.6 meter whole square and height is 1.8 meter. Now for the base we know the formula is 2 into area upon height. In place of area we will write 3.6, in place of height we will write 1.8. Now both, if you remove the decimal we will get 36 and 18. Now 18 and 36 we have simplified, we are getting 2 into 2 is 4 meter. This is the answer for the base. Now today we will discuss only question number 1, 2 and 3. Remaining questions we will discuss in the next video. Thank you class. You have to do these 3 questions in the Maths 2 fair copy. Thank you class.